Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nidhi and welcome to another battle episode. As promised, I'm back here with the battle of the soft matte lip creams available in the Indian market. So I went into my makeup stash and I came out with 7 lip creams. Yes, you guys, I came out with 7 soft matte liquid lipsticks of ranging from rupees 180 to I think 700, and I have not included NYX soft matte lip cream because I did not have it. So yeah, apart from that, I have like 7 lip creams to talk about. Lip creams rather than, I would say, soft matte liquid lipsticks to talk about. And if you're somebody who likes this kind of texture, who doesn't like completely matte texture, then this video is for you, and you would know who the winner is, at least according to me. So let the battle begin. Let's start off with the most loved soft matte liquid lipstick, and you know it's everybody's favorite, and it is the Miss Claire soft matte lip creams. This is the one that I'm wearing on my lips right now. This is in the shade number 12. All good things to say about this lip product except for the price. The price varies from 150 rupees to up to 300 rupees depending on where you are buying it. I got mine for 200 rupees, and this is in the shade number 12. It has a very smoothie texture and it just glides onto your lips amazingly. It turns matte instantly. It's like a soft, the texture is very soft. It's like you have a bullet lipstick crushed and then filled into this tube. These have around 60 colors, so there ought to be a color for you that would suit your skin tone. And since they are very pocket friendly and they have a texture similar to the NYX soft matte lip creams, these are a rage. Like everybody wants Miss Claire lip creams because they are colors and because they are a copy of NYX soft matte lip creams. They are amazing. They have a very vanilla kind of a smell, which is very like pleasing to wear when you're wearing this lipstick. And yeah, all good things to talk about this lipstick. This stays onto your lips for around 4 to 5 hours if you haven't eaten anything, and if you do, then it fades off. And they are transferable, so they do transfer. So yeah, that is one thing. I would give this lip cream a 4.5 out of 5 because they do transfer. The price is good, the texture is good, they're very comfortable to wear. They however fill in your fine lines, which is okay. Most lipstick do that. And your lips would become, if you have very dry lips, your lips would become a bit flaky after like say 3 to 4 hours, but then that's fine. So I'll rate this lip cream from Miss Claire a 4.5 out of 5. Moving on to the next lip product is this Matte Look Super Stay Gloss. This has a very similar texture to the Miss Claire lip creams. I have in the shade Kinda Sexy number 29, which is a very nudish kind of a color. It is kind of washing me out, but still I love it because it is amazing. Like it has a beautiful texture. It smells like lacto caramel toffee. The packaging is exactly the same as the L'Oreal Color Riche lipsticks, and they smell beautiful. They glide amazingly. The Miss Claire lipsticks has a doe foot applicator. This one also has a kind of similar applicator, but then it has a hole inside, so it grabs product in that, and you don't have to go again and again into the bottle. Once you're out of it, you are just good to go. In just one swipe, you get an amazing finish, and the product just distributes amazingly onto your lips. These retails for 180 rupees, which is again a very pocket friendly product, and I really like the packaging. It just goes matte after some time. After say 5 to 10 minutes, it becomes completely transfer proof. The price is amazing, the texture is amazing, it's very comfortable to wear. Its packaging is so cute. I just love it, and I love this. I'll give it a 4.7 out of a 5 because of that, because you know all good things that Miss Claire has are in this, and the price comparatively is lesser, at least for me. You might find Miss Claire for a lesser price than this one. I like this one a bit more than the Miss Claire one, so I'll give it a 4.7 out of 5. Moving on to the next lip product I have is the Lakme 9 to 5 Weightless Matte Mousse Lip and Cheek Stain. I have in the shade Rose Velvet. This is how the bottle looks like, and this is how the color is. It's kind of a mauvish, purpley, nudish, everyday color. That's how I can illustrate the color. Now the texture is exactly the similar as the other two that I have shown. The smell is the similar. The only difference is that it retails for almost 500 rupees, which is like way too expensive. The applicator is again similar to the matte look one, which has a hole in the center, and hence you don't have to dip the applicator again and again into the bottle to apply. Once you take it out of the bottle, it's good for your entire lips. You don't have to dip it again. So it is amazing, you guys. I absolutely love these. If you are somebody who's looking for brands and you want a similar texture as that of a Miss Claire, I would recommend go for the Lakme 925 Weightless Mousse. It is exactly the same. It is exactly the same. Since it is higher in price, like I got this one for 413 rupees, but then it is way too expensive when you compare it to the matte look or the Miss Claire one. It is way too expensive, so I would rate it a 4 out of a 5. Let's move on to the next lip product, which is this one. This is from the brand called Oriflame. It's their Lip Sensation Matte Mousse. This is the color in the shade Raspberry, Soft Mulberry. This is Soft Mulberry, and this is the shade I'm wearing on my lips. This have a bit of different texture than the earlier ones that we have talked or discussed about. It is as if you're wearing a bullet lipstick. It has a different texture. The applicator on it is very amazing. It moves, so it was very easy to apply the lipstick. However, the cost of these is very high. These retail for 700 rupees, and you can get it at a discounted price from an Oriflame consultant, but then too it is not going to beat the price of Miss Claire HR or even the Lakme one. It is that expensive. Now the bottle looks very luxurious. Look at that. It is like, certainly the bottle gives you an expensive vibes, but then you know, the texture is not that great as compared to the other ones. It transfers a lot. And the staying power is not that much as compared to the other ones. It stays onto your lips for like 2, 3, 4 hours. If you eat something, it is completely gone. So yeah, I have a complete review on these. I'll link them in the description box. I got them at a discounted price at that point, but now you have to buy it for 700 rupees, which is like crazy amount of money. But yeah, if you want to go for brands, then this is a great buy, because you get a different texture, and yet it is soft matte. It doesn't dry out your lips, and it is very comfortable to wear. I would rate it a 3.5 out of a 5. So the next lip product is from the House of Calabar. It's their deep matte lip creams. I have in the shade Deep Peach 009, and this is how it looks on my lips. It's kind of a peachish color with really warm undertones. I really like the color of it, but the texture is not my favorite. It's quite runny, and it doesn't set all the time. Like, it's moving all the time, and it does bleed sometimes. It's crazily, like, it transfers crazily. It doesn't set. I don't know why. I think I mentioned this in one of my disappointing makeup product videos, because this is not my favorite texture. This is very comfortable to wear. It will not dry out your lips, but then it transfers so much that it would not stay onto your lips at all. And the price is so high. I think it retails for 700 or 800 rupees, which is crazy amount of money. Packaging is really amazing, but then just for the packaging, if you're paying 800 rupees and you get the product which doesn't stay onto your lips, considering that it's a soft matte lipstick, is a bit bummer. I would rate it a 3 out of a 5. Totally forgot to mention about the Calabar. It smells chemically, and also the wand is not like, it's a flat wand, and it's really long. So for me, long wands are not good. It doesn't give me precision. I just go everywhere with that. So yeah, the next lip product that is in line up for the battle is the Color Essence liquid lipsticks, and mine is in the shade, I think, something with orange, because the shade is not mentioned on this bottle. It's mentioned on the cardboard casing that it comes with, which is not good. These retails for 350 rupees, which is neither too expensive not too pocket friendly. It's somewhere in between. I have this one, which is really vibrant orange color. I used this in one of my makeup tutorials, which was like monochrome. It was all orange makeup tutorial, and if you guys are interested in watching that, I'll link it in the description box. I really like the packaging. It's very sleek, doesn't require a lot of space in your bag. It's very, you know, sturdy as well. It won't open up. The color is amazing. They smell beautiful. It smells as if you are eating Big Bubble, like you're chewing Big Bubble. The smell is very similar to that one. And it dries out to be a matte lipstick. It doesn't have a texture similar to that of Miss Claire or the Oriflame one or the color bar one. It is completely different in texture. It dries out to be matte, but it doesn't dry out completely. So it's not, but it is not sticky at the same time. It semi dries out, and hence it does transfer. Look at that. So it's matte, but it doesn't dries out like completely matte and doesn't become transfer proof. So it is matte, but yet it is soft and comfortable to wear. And yeah, you can get it for 350 rupees, which is a great buy. I would rate it 4.2 out of a 5, which is again amazing, because you know these have a very different texture from the Miss Claire one, and but yet they're very comfortable to wear. They are in, I guess, 7 or 8 shades, which is like a limited shade range, but it is an Indian company. It's cruelty free. So if you're looking for brands which are cruelty free and they make in India and they are still soft matte, then I would suggest go for this one. I would rate it a 4.2 out of a 5. Next lip product that I have is the Maybelline Velvet Matte lipsticks, and I have in the shade Matte 11, which is a beautiful deep red color. I absolutely love the color. These are velvet matte. These have a very similar texture to that of the Color Essence one, and I absolutely love the color and the texture both. This retail for, I guess, around 300 to 400 rupees. I exactly don't remember the price, but then these are still pocket friendly. If you're going for brands, go for this one. It dries out to be a matte lipstick, but then it is not completely matte, so it does transfer. It stays onto your lips for a good 6 to 7 hours, but it does dry out your lips crazily. It makes your lips go flaky, but the color remains in its place. At the same time, your lips becomes flaky. So that's just one thing about it. All in all, I like the product. It's from the house of Maybelline. So if I had to rate it, I would rate it a 4 out of 5. Yeah, that was the last soft matte lipstick that is available in the Indian market. I'm not sure if we have any more of that. If you are aware of any such soft matte lipsticks, then leave a comment that I have these 8 and let's just decide the winner. Okay, so we have the winner, and the winner of the battle of the soft matte liquid lipstick is the Matte Look Super Stay Gloss, and a close second is the Miss Claire Soft Matte Lip Cream. They were like really close, just a 2-pointer difference again, and they were really close because they are quite similar in texture. They only have a difference in price, and both of them are pocket friendly, which is amazing. I hope you guys liked this video, and if you did, then give this video a big fat thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Also, let me know the products or anything that you would see a battle of in the description box. Like, it could be a battle of BB cream, battle of sunscreens, battle of the beauty blenders, battle of the makeup brushes. I gave you some ideas. Just let me know what you would like to see next. I will see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.